welcome to my channel Cozy Loop Crochet. Today's project is how to do lining for a crochet bag. Some of my subscribers have asked me to do a video on doing lining for the crochet bag, and this is the one that I already made a video of, and I'm gonna do the lining for it today. And for the material that you're gonna need is, of course, your fabric. I have used this one that I think it goes with this, and you need a good scissors to cut your fabric. I have this pen that I'm gonna mark the fabric where I'm gonna cut, and this is just for the fabrics. It's gonna wash away. And of course some of these pin needles, and this is for sewing. I'm gonna do the hand sewing on the top, and I'm gonna do the side sewing with the sewing machine. Of course you can do everything by hand. It takes a little longer. So let's do this. Let's start this project. So first thing is I'm gonna put my bag on top of my fabric, and as you can see I have folded upside down. This is the good side, and this bottom part is folded, and I don't need to sew the bottom part. So I put my bag on top of this fabric, and since my bag has a base, I'm going to show you. My base is 3 inches wide. This is 3 inches, and when I fold it, it's 1.5 inches. So I'm going to just put it folded on top of this fabric. Okay, and on the sides I put a little longer for the seam allowance, and on the other side, this side I don't need too much of the marking to do, except that I'm gonna mark this side. And I'm gonna just go down, and I do this seam allowance. It's gonna be maybe 1/2 inch. Okay, I'm gonna just mark the corner in here, and on this side the same thing. Okay, and after you do sew the sides, if it's too much you can just cut the extra part of the fabric. So I think this is a little more than 1/2 inch, but it's fine. So on the top also I need to have a little bit of, because I'm going to fold the top part, I need maybe 1 inch on the top. All right. So I'm going to cut this by scissors where I marked it. Fabric is done. I cut it, and as you can see, I have to now sew 2 sides, and from here all the way up. I'll be back to show you the rest. Okay, I did my 2 sides sewing, and now I'm gonna fold this like this, and this is for our base part. So I'm gonna fold it Okay, like this. We have two pointy sides in here and here, and now I'm gonna measure for that 3 inches. That is measurement of my base. So let me bring my pen and okay, so this is gonna be my 3 inches in here. Okay, so we're gonna do this for mark it down on both sides, mark on both sides, and then we're gonna have to sew that part too. Okay. So I'm gonna sew this section and this section, and I'll be back, and we have to cut this section off. Be back to show you. Okay, I did the both corners, and I'm gonna cut these triangles now, and I'm gonna show you how it's gonna come out. And I'm gonna also cut a little extra in here because I don't want to show a little bulky on the sides. Okay, this is almost done. This is gonna be the bottom base, and on the top I'm gonna have a little fold in here. And now all you have to do, you can iron this also. You're gonna put it inside the bag, and you're gonna need to sew these two sides, and I'm gonna leave a little bit left. I'm not gonna go all the way up on the top. I'm gonna go on the second row in here. So all we have to do is to pin it, then hand sew. This is almost perfect. Okay, so we're gonna bring the pins and right here. First do both sides, and then after that do all the other sides. Okay, and then when you want to sew this, since this is not exactly same color, and we don't want to where's my pins? Okay, I did use for the other one, I used this color which is almost same color, and it doesn't show. You don't want it to show on the other side, so you're gonna have to, if you are using this color to sew, you're gonna need to take like half of the yarn and go like this, so this other side doesn't show the different color of your thread. So just be careful on that, and I'm going to show you the final product, and so this is it. I hope that you are enjoying this and you can do the lining on your bag, please hit the subscribe and like button and leave a comment for me if this was useful or not. Thank you for watching.